Hey, so to install ParentSquare app on iOS, just tap Get and then you will be able to install that. Then just use your Touch ID or Face ID. The size is 58 megabytes. So it's one of the top apps for school communication. So you can just tap Open it. And then you can just sign in with Google, for example. So let's try to do that. Account not found. You will need to have your account created, I guess, on the web. And then only then you will be able to sign in ParentSquare app. So this is the app. This is how it looks like. You just log into the school and it's basically like a dashboard, like a schedule, like a chat of the school. So that's that. That's the app. Hope it was helpful. And then this app is for parents. Of course, parents can easily connect with teachers and staff at their children's school from their iOS device. So that's how it works.